Hi, I'm Christopher.
Hi, I'm Sara.
And today we're going to be showing you an area of Envigado that's perfect for investing in properties to develop small buildings and flips. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, we are in La Buena Mesa in Envigado. This area has so many restaurants, bars. It's very pretty, very safe.
But the area we're going to show you is called La Magnolia, and the benefit is it's only a 5-minute walk from here. So over there, the prices of property are a lot cheaper. It's family neighborhood, family area, and everything's a lot quieter. And the reason is a lot of people don't know about it. Let's go. Guys, just want to show you that intersection over there is La Buena Mesa, and this intersection over here is actually La Magnolia. Alright guys, I'm just now entering the La Magnolia neighborhood of Envigado, and there's a lot of construction going on. Got here, another property here. There's a lot of restaurants, bars, things like that all in this area. It's a great place to develop property. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you some of these really nice properties here. And in fact, this one right behind me is actually for rent. Let me show you. This property here is for rent. It's really nice. And Sarah is actually going to call so we can see how much does this actually rent for. You can tell that this is a property that somebody flipped and now they're renting. So you guys, I don't want anybody to be yelling at me, so I had to step out. But right behind me is a kitchen, kind of like, I think we call them ghost kitchens in the United States. But if you live in this area and you order Rappi, that actually is for crepes and waffles. Pretty cool. Lots of construction going on over here, and there's some really nice buildings.
Hey guys, we just stopped for lunch. We're in Zacatecas. This is a very popular Mexican restaurant in La Magnolia. So you guys have to come here. I'm walking here in La Magnolia. You guys can hear how quiet is this place, so it's perfect for someone that wants to live in an area very quiet.